The anchoring effect is a cognitive bias where the first piece of information, or anchor, heavily influences our decisions. When an anchor is set, like a salary offer of $60,000, subsequent decisions revolve around it. Adjustments made from this anchor are often insufficient, leading to biased outcomes. High anchors result in higher final decisions, while low anchors lead to lower ones. In negotiations, the first offer sets a powerful anchor. Retailers use this by marking products down from a higher price, making the sale price seem like a better deal. In real estate, the initial listing price influences buyer offers and seller expectations. Even population estimates can be skewed by an initial figure. The anchoring effect is driven by the primacy effect, where the first information is weighted more heavily. The availability heuristic makes anchors readily accessible in memory, and high cognitive load can exacerbate the effect. Awareness and training can help reduce susceptibility. Deliberate adjustments and seeking second opinions provide different perspectives, counteracting the anchor's influence. Understanding the anchoring effect is crucial for making more rational, unbiased decisions in various aspects of life.